Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, after convention of the Bilt, and as you can see, this is my mobile robot discovery based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux, programmed in Python, although the program is not running right now. This is Robot Pro for testing everything. And let me end the test. Alright. Everything is stopped now. And why do I show this? Because at the convention things didn't go exactly as intended. Wi-Fi didn't work, USB partially, and if it doesn't run, it's no fun. So prior to setting this now up, I had some problems as well, and that concerned, yes, the Wi-Fi, the wireless communication, as well as some other things. So let's go to screencast so I can explain in more detail. As said, screencast with obviously the camera for the robot, then the terminal on the computer, which I'm recording it on. Next, Robot Pro, USB terminal, straight to the controller, Wi-Fi terminal, and I should actually say Wi-Fi IP version 6. Previously I used it via IP version 4, but things have changed. And I tried to connect in Robot Pro using, well, it says wireless LAN, so that's okay. But then I tried to use other, and in here I used to say, okay, the 10.0.0.134 as manual IP address to connect to the controller. However, that doesn't work. Well, that doesn't work, but I can't reach it because the IP address on this computer doesn't respond to my access point anymore. Then I tried it using IP6 in here, which doesn't work. So now this is only working for USB. And now I can test everything via the USB port. And I can connect still via IP version 6. And in here, I found the IP6 address via the ifconfig command. It's Linux after all. And then I could connect. So that's nice. Then, as you saw in the opening sequence, this works, that works, and that works, and this being the propeller in the back. So yes, things do work. Then I have to close this because I want to run the program, which is where things go wrong so far. So I already did things here, and I have to keep doing them via USB, although Wi-Fi is faster. But Wi-Fi over this address doesn't work anymore. Will it work over IP version 6? I don't know. because this is the address that I used for wireless. And then I'll have to test that. I still can try, obviously. See, it's 139, 129, so, but that doesn't matter. Let's run it, see whatever happens. If things work out. Well, that's plus. All right. Well, it won't show anything, I'm afraid, because I have no end object. I should actually put a red colored fischtechnik object in front of it, because then it can theoretically show things. What I do now is copy paste, and it does show something. Right, that's working. Good. And that's it. A new experience with the coder, both with color recognition, color separation actually, and with well, copying files from here to the computer. And those new experiences are nice, but have to be confirmed at the convention. So stay tuned about that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. If you liked enough and you want to support, then you can do so by either becoming a patron and have full access from Tier 2, have full access to all my videos. Same with Ko-fi, and you can find all links in the description box. You can also decide to make a one-time support donation via Ko-fi, via PayPal, and via Buy Me a Coffee. All links under the video. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.